This 1987 International. This was one of the first trucks I learned to drive on. Was a truck similar to this. We used to call it the dinosaur. It had a 400 Cummins with a 13 speed, and it was quite a monster to drive. I used to have a lot of fun driving this thing. Now the one I drove had a 60-inch sleeper on it, but man, I had a lot of fun driving that truck. That was one of the first trucks I learned to drive on. All right, good morning. Took a nice brisk walk up to the store, get me some coffee and a couple bananas. Breakfast for today. Here, you guys want to see the Love's truck? There's the Love's truck. Out picking up trash. Good deal. Some of these truck drivers don't want to throw their trash in the trash can. Oh man, okay. Oh, we got a busy day today. Not too much driving. We got to go deliver our egg stuff down at the farm down here, and then run up about a little over an hour up to Wilton, Iowa, and we're gonna pick up some steel. I think my clutch brake might be going out. Put that on the list of things to fix when I get home. Let's see. Well, take that down to Missouri. Once we get our steel, take it down to Missouri, and it's only about 230 miles once we get loaded. So we don't have too far to go. So hopefully our appointment to load's at 1 o'clock. So hopefully they're running on schedule, and hopefully, I say hopefully a lot, we'll get out of there at a decent time. But we're going over to the egg farm and deliver our egg machines. Should take about 30 minutes or so. I looked it up on Google Maps. It looks like it's going to be a fairly easy place to get in and out of. Should go fairly well, hopefully. Alright, hopefully I'll see you at the other side. Talk to you in a bit.
In 2¼ miles, take exit 54.
Take the exit toward Cameron Road. In a quarter mile, turn left onto 140th Avenue. Turn left onto 140th Avenue.
This is why you don't trust Google Maps or GPS. Where we have to go, there's a 13-foot bridge, which means I got to turn around and figure out another way to get there.
Head east for US 34 East. In a quarter mile, merge onto US 34 East.
So the GPS was trying to send me that way. So we got to figure something out here. Let's see what we can do. So we're facing the wrong way. All right, let me figure this out. Talk to you guys in a bit. All right, well, there's your train for today. But that was the reason for the low bridges, was those railroad tracks. So I called the customer and he told me I had to go way around. So,
In half a mile, turn left onto 140th Avenue, 140th Avenue.
So we're en route. There's your train for today. We got it worked out. We don't have too much further to go. There it is, right there. So, all right, let me get this figured out, and I will
Turn left onto 140th Avenue, 140th Avenue.
talk to you in a bit. All right, we're almost there. We're on some little tiny roads. I do like it out here, though. I like these farms. These are pretty new farmhouses, but we came by some older farmhouses a little bit ago. I think I would enjoy living in an old farmhouse. But this looks like a pretty big place up here. So I guess I'll take a little bit of
In
credit.
a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
I guess I'll take a little bit of credit for the low bridge. Maybe I should have called the guy, but I did call him yesterday, but I didn't ask about low bridges, and he didn't say anything about low bridges. So, you know, I'm not gonna blame it on everybody. Yeah, but don't trust GPS. All right, I think he said to turn right here. Right here. All right, hang on. Look at them big old tractors. All right, let me get this situated. I think it's gonna go rather quickly. Looks like he probably has the right equipment to get this off. So, all right. Let me get unloaded and I will talk to you guys in a bit. All right, oh man, all right. Whew, got some exercise. I was helping another driver out. So I got twice the exercise today. Tarpon, he was a new guy, different company, but it doesn't matter. He was struggling a little bit, I was gonna help him out. So anyway, I got some exercise. Oh, let's see here. We're loaded up. We're heavy. We got more than what I thought we were going to get. It is becoming a habit. So we got 46. A lot. How about that? 46 something. 46 and some change. So we are pretty heavy. But we got about 230 miles to go to deliver this. And see what else is going on. We're probably going to make it down to the Flying J. Something down there. Oh, what time is it? It's 2:30. About 3 hours. So, all right. Let me get, I still got to go through the security gate, and then I'll be ready to go. So I'll talk to you in a bit.